In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in the new Microsoft Outlook. Before diving into the process, make sure you have your Outlook account login details handy because we'll need those to get started. Let's begin by navigating to the Microsoft Outlook page, which serves as your starting point to access the email service. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Sign In button, which is typically located towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. A click on this button will lead you to the Sign In page. Here, you'll need to input your login details. That means entering your email address. Remember to double check for any typos, and then click Next to proceed. After entering your password and completing any authentication measures, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard, which is essentially the main interface where you can see your inbox, sent items, and more. Now that you're on the dashboard, look towards the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the option to create new mail. This is your gateway to composing and sending emails, and it's also where we're going to attach our files. There are two straightforward ways for attaching files in Outlook. Let's explore the first method. Once you've clicked on New Mail, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the Compose window. Locate the Insert tab. Within this tab, you'll find the Attach File button. Clicking this option opens up a dialog box that allows you to choose the files you want to attach from your device. The second method involves a slight variation but yields the same result. With your new message window still open, switch over to the Message tab that you'll notice up there in the menu. Here, look for the small paperclip icon, universally recognized as the symbol for attachments. Clicking this icon will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. From this menu, you can choose where you want to source your attachment from, whether that be your computer, your OneDrive, or other connected services you might have set up. Both methods serve the same purpose, so feel free to use whichever you find most convenient. Having these options gives you flexibility, especially if you frequently manage files from various cloud storage solutions. Once your attachment is chosen, ensure to preview or confirm that you've selected the correct files. This proactive step can save a lot of potential back and forth if you need to resend due to attaching the wrong document. And there you have it. You've learned how to attach files to your emails in the new Microsoft Outlook. It's a simple yet powerful tool that enhances the way you manage your communication. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.